Be ready, start. We have heard the appellant appearing in person and Sri Sandeep Sethi, learned additional Solicitor General for India, stop. This appeal has been filed by the appellant questioning the judgment and order dated 23/8/2012 passed by the Armed Forces Tribunal Regional Bench, Lucknow, by which OA number 104 of 2011 filed by the appellant has been rejected as not maintainable and returned to the appellant with liberty to file the same before the concerned authority, stop stanza. Brief facts of the case necessary to be noted for deciding the issues raised in the appeal are: the appellant was commissioned in the Indian Army on 11/3/1989 in the engineering discipline, stop. The appellant was subsequently selected and inducted in the Directorate General of Quality Assurance (DGQA) from 31/5/2004, stop. On completion of 2 years, the appellant was transferred to the Directorate of Indigenization under DGEME, stop. Quality Assurance Selection Board was held at DGQA organization for selection of the officers of the rank of Lieutenant Colonel and Major for permanent secondment, stop. The appellant was not found fit for permanent secondment by the QASB, stop stanza. The appellant filed a statutory complaint seeking permanent secondment in the DGQA, stop. The complaint was submitted at the time when the appellant was working in the army, stop. The complaint was forwarded to the Ministry of Defence, stop. Since the complaint pertained to DGQA organization, the Government of India, Ministry of Defence, Department of Defence, Production, by order dated 17/12/2007, rejected the statutory complaint of the appellant. OA number 104 of 2012/11 was filed by the appellant before the Armed Forces Tribunal Regional Bench, Lucknow, praying the (4) quashing the order dated 17/12/2007 and issuing a direction to the respondent to grant permanent secondment to the DGQA organization with all consequential benefits retrospectively, stop. A counter affidavit was filed in OA by the respondent when the OA was taken for hearing by the Armed Forces Tribunal on 23/8/2012. A preliminary objection was raised by the respondent that the relief claimed by the applicant in the OA is not maintainable in the Armed Forces Tribunal, stop. The Armed Forces Tribunal heard the parties on the above preliminary objection and wide order dated 23/8/2012 held that OA is not maintainable, stop. A miscellaneous application was filed by the applicant before the tribunal seeking leave to appeal to this court, which application was rejected on 11/9/2012, stop. This appeal has been filed challenging the order dated 23/8/2012 and order dated 11/9/2012. Stop. A counter affidavit has been filed in this appeal by the respondent reiterating their objection that the relief which was claimed by the appellant in OA was not maintainable before the Armed Forces Tribunal. Stop. The appellant appearing in person submits that in DGQA officers are drawn from armed forces on tenure posting and thereafter their cases are considered for permanent secondment as per the office memorandum dated 28/10/1978 and the office memorandum dated 22/12/1993. Stop.